Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to sync voice memos with iCloud on Mac. So if you use Voice Memos app to record lectures, meetings, interviews or personal notes, syncing it with iCloud can make things much more convenient. When this feature is turned on, then suppose you are outdoors, then suddenly you realize that you want to record something important, maybe any personal note or anything like a voice reminder. Then you can access your iPhone and record that audio in voice memos. And if you have enabled sync voice memos with iCloud, then later you can access that voice memo into all your Apple devices like in your Mac or iPads or even in your another iPhone without having to transfer that file manually. So if you regularly switch between your iPhone, iPad or Mac, keeping voice memos synced with iCloud can save your time and make sure your recordings are available whenever you want. So to enable it, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to iCloud. After that, click on the Save All button right to save to iCloud, and here scroll down all the way and find Voice Memos and make sure to enable the toggle right to it, and finally click on Done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.